Welcome to our channel. Sustainable travel minimizes environmental impact while supporting local communities. Step 1. Choose destinations closer to home or combine multiple destinations in one trip to reduce flights. Step 2. Use public transportation, bikes, or walk instead of taxis or rental cars. Step 3. Stay in eco-certified accommodations that implement sustainable practices. Step 4. Bring reusable water bottles, bags, and utensils to reduce plastic waste. Step 5. Support local businesses rather than international chains. Step 6. Choose tour operators committed to environmental and cultural preservation. Step 7. Respect wildlife by maintaining safe distances and never feeding animals. Step 8. Offset your carbon emissions through verified carbon offset programs. Step 9. Conserve water and electricity in your accommodation. Step 10. Buy local and sustainable souvenirs that support community artisans. Step 11. Leave no trace by properly disposing of waste and respecting natural areas. Step 12. Educate yourself about local environmental issues and conservation efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.